Hello, today we are going to discuss about hairline design at Hairsure. Most of the times a hair transplant can be detected as one that is being done is because it looks artificial. A properly executed hairline design shouldn't go undetected. There are many components in this part where a hairline design should be made to look like natural. The first thing comes into play is the marking. When you're going for a hair transplant design, you should be marking with a certain instrument called a laser marker, which would avoid any kind of a cant that is present in the hairline design. So because of which there might be one side that is being low and the other side which is much higher level. So to avoid this, a laser marker can always be used so that both the sides can look natural. The second thing is marking the line in an exact straight line. If you are transplanting hair in a totally straight line, it would totally be visible and looks very unnatural, like a Barbie doll. So if your hair transplant should look natural, it should have a ragged edge kind of a pattern. Then the third thing for a hair transplant to look natural is the density. If you are not having the kind of density in the frontal hairline, then definitely it looks like it has been a transplanted hair. So if a proper density, at least a minimum of 50 per square centimeter, has to be given in the frontal hairline density to get the natural kind of look. So maintaining all these things during a transplant surgery will definitely give you a much better look. So these are the main things that you have to take into consideration when we are looking for a natural hairline design. A properly executed hair transplant should look completely natural and it should go undetected. If somebody can detect your hairline that it's a transplanted one, then I would consider that as a poor design or a failure. Thank you.